Ever been captivated by the dramatic burst of flames in a chef's pan and wondered just how it's done? Welcome to the fiery world of flambe cooking, a culinary spectacle that goes beyond merely cooking to create an unforgettable dining experience. Flambe, a term borrowed from the French verb flamber, which means to flame or blaze, is a cooking technique where alcohol, usually a strong liquor like brandy, rum, or liqueur, is added to a hot dish or pan, and then set alight. As the flames dance and flicker, they swiftly burn off the alcohol, leaving behind a tantalizing hint of the spirit's flavor. There are several types of flambe cooking, each with its own unique charm. The classic flambe involves heating the alcohol separately, pouring it over the dish, and then igniting it. The pan flambe, on the other hand, adds the alcohol directly to the food-filled pan before setting it aflame. Lastly, there's the tableside flambe, a crowd pleaser where the flambe is performed right at the dining table, often used to dazzle guests with desserts like crepe Suzette or bananas Foster. So, what does flambe cooking offer? A trio of delights. First, it enhances the flavor of the dish. The flames caramelize the sugars and alcohol, adding a unique depth of flavor. Second, it provides a visual spectacle, turning an ordinary meal into a thrilling show. And third, it infuses an aromatic quality into the dish, as the intense heat releases aromatic compounds from the alcohol. Just to whet your appetite, consider these examples of flambe dishes. Steak Diane, a tender steak flambéed with brandy and served with a rich sauce. Cherries Jubilee, a dessert of cherries cooked in a sweet syrup, flambéed with cherry liqueur, and served over ice cream. Or shrimp scampi, succulent shrimp sautéed in garlic butter, flambéed with white wine or brandy for an extra kick of flavor. In conclusion, flambe cooking is far more than a simple culinary technique. It's a captivating performance that lifts the dining experience to a whole new level. Whether it's a savory main course or a decadent dessert, the art of flambe adds a dash of enchantment to every meal, leaving diners bewitched and eager for more.